Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Hole19 app. So a Hole19 is a golf app that helps you while playing on the course. So instead of guessing distances of writing everything down on paper, you can use the app to check yardages, keep score, track your shots, and review your game. So this is helpful because it keeps your golf information in one place so you can focus more on playing. So when you open Hole19, you can start by choosing the golf course that you are playing, and after selecting the course, you can begin your round and use the GPS feature to check distances to the green, like the front, middle, and back. So this can help you choose the right club before taking your shot. And you can also use Hole19 as a digital scorecard. After each hole, you can enter your score and track other details like putts or fairways hit, depending on what you want to record. Okay, so later you can review your round and see how you perform. So the app also has a stats section where you can check patterns in your game. So some features may depend on free or premium version, but the main purpose is the same: track your round, understand your game, and improve over time. So Hole19 can also work with supported smartwatches so that you can check distances from your wrist without always using your phone. So overall, Hole19 is used as a golf GPS, range finder, scorecard, and game tracker. You choose your course, start your round, check your distances, record your score, and review your stats after playing. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.